Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor. I'm here to help you pick it up. Talking about arbitraging, talking about these crazy cryptos, talking about this new Apex. I seem to like it a lot, so hopefully you guys are too and are trying out the practice mode, I guess the demo mode. It's pretty interesting. Leverage trading. I like it. Seems to be working well. Just needed to go live. Once it's live, we get our debit cards. It's supposed to be still on time. I haven't heard nothing yet, but hopefully they're still coming. And we can make a profit, send it to the debit card, and pay our bills. Go out to dinner, enjoy life. You know what I mean. Something we haven't been able to do for a while. But hopefully this will all change. All be behind us. I like that. I see a lot of changes coming, a lot of things happening, a lot of talk, but still waiting, always waiting. But once we get that live, look out. For us waiting for Trade Pro. Now I'm waiting for Apex. That's the one I like. Let's take a look at it. Right there, leverage trading. 50 to 1, it's pretty good. Still got all of our account. Waiting to use it for Apex or whatever else we decide to use it for. I got my 30,000 tokens right there waiting. So we'll see what happens. I'm excited to see. Jump over here. See what's going on, see what's moving. Okay, so we're dropping down. We got another red candle. Looks like, excuse me. Looks like a sell sign off the double tops. Double tops right here is the bottom of it, the neckline sold off of that. So it looks like it wants to sell some more. And this is a day chart, so it's a lot of movement there. A lot of things we don't see. Now we look over here at Bitcoin's real negative, ETH's real negative. Guess they've gotten even worse. Might be time to buy some more Bitcoin, I think. So let's take a look at this on a smaller chart. 1 hour. 1 hour says it broke the neckline, just went straight down. We got a little rejection with the green candle, but my guess is we're looking for more selling. Go lower, 15 minutes. 15 minutes says we tried to go sideways, tried to go back up, but we got rejected. Coming back down, might be a good sell trade right there. Might be a flag trade at the top. That'd be good. With an evening star. Yep, rejection right there. I like it. Let's go ahead and get our sell trade in. Pretty easy. Short. Yeah, we're hitting resistance right here. We broke back off the top, going back down. We go back to a 15-minute chart. Probably getting an evening star right there. We need one more candle to get it, but I'm pretty sure. I mean, it would have to, can't put a trend line across here, but if you do put one imaginary, basically if we start going back above this top of this wick up here, the trade's off. So we'll see what happens. But my guess is we're going down. You got to pick a side to go with, so and you got to have reasoning for it. We got the day candle telling us red. We got another small candle. Everything else is telling us down. Trend is telling us down. The chart's showing rejection. Can it trick us? Of course. It does all the time. We don't have any indicators on it yet. Now we could change the candle to something that's more trending, which would be the Hakanashi. Now the Hakanashi says we're trying to go up. So as long as we get another red candle, we're all right. If not, we'll have to close the trade. Because we're showing volume green, candle green. Right now it's not looking in our favor, except for the rejection and the red candle right there. That's in our favor. So if it changes, we'll close the trade. I'm just kind of running it through my head out loud so you guys can hear what I'm thinking if you're trying to do this. Now, we didn't put any indicators on, nothing more than what we were looking at. So we're definitely right here up against support. Now, we did break through. We didn't actually close above. So it's hard to tell. I'm pretty sure we're still underneath it. We're trying to break through. So hopefully we get a bounce down from this rejection. So this here will be the ceiling. And we're going to get a push down to the bottom again. Looks like it so far. You can always put a moving average on. It's always good to have that. I like to just have one. This is a 9. 9 will work. So right now we're above, so it's a little dangerous. We're looking for a break below it. Over here, it broke below it, stayed below almost the whole way down. That would have been a nice trade. That's mostly what you're looking for. Now over here, we got above, but we didn't close above to right here. And you could have bought till you got the red candle way up here showing indecision and it came back through. That would have been a nice little trade, nice little scalping trade. But this one here would have been a, well, actually 1, 2, 3, half a day trade. This one. That was an intermediate trade. That would have been a nice trade. Usually when I trade, I have one chart that has the Hakanashi and then another chart that'll have the candlesticks, just so I see the best of both worlds. We're already in a little bit of profit. That's good. Better than no profit. But remember, this thing could go at any time because it should jump up and we get liquidated. So before we get liquidated to the max, I want to be able to close the trade out just in case. And what's that going to be? That's going to be a green candle. Green candle going above right here. Probably above that wick there, but I'll probably close it sooner. That just means then it's still going up. Right now we're into the assumption it's going down. We're like flipping a coin here, but with estimated wind speed on our side. I don't know, maybe the head side's a little heavier. We already knew that. Still could go either way though. Especially even a coin, if it's heavy, even if it's weighted, it could still go either way. But we try to have it as weighted as much as we have. That's what we got. Now up here you got Binance, Kraken, and the other broker up here showing all their stuff. I guess if you want to try to do the arbitraging. Okay, we're starting to get a green candle, so this trade might be over. We're already negative. If this is going to go up any higher. May as well see how to lose just as much as win, so it's all the same. Either way, we're pushing a button. See, normally I would just have a stop placed above here, so I don't have one. I'm sure it'll liquidate if it does try to go up there. We're almost there now. If it goes any higher, trade's over. Now, if it goes any higher, we'll close the trade. Is the trade over? No. I'm waiting for it still to go down. So as soon as it gives me a sell setup again, I'll redo the trade again and go down normally, if it's going to go down. If Sometimes it just keeps going up. But that's how you have to look at it. I'd rather get out at the next jump up and then try to get back in instead of letting it just suck up all my money, then hoping it goes back down. Because that hoping trade, I hate that hope trade. Hope trade sucks. Never do that. It's not worth it. And we all do it. We've all done it. So I don't do it anymore. That's why I like having a hard stop up here, but I don't have one. Because pushing the button, sometimes you hesitate too much. It's like a mental game. All I know is if you let it go, sometimes it'll never come back, and then you got all your money, and then you take a bigger loss than what you'd rather, or you just feel stupid. Nobody needs that. Wait for it to tell us stay or go. I only got liquidated once on a trade in here, and man, it was pretty quick. It just had a big candle go up, and it was done. Right now, it's at the point it could go either way. Like, do I let the video go, or we just take the loss now? What we'll do is just cut this section out. I'll just turn the sound off and let it run. So at least I can cut out the middle section. You guys can at least see how it ends. There we go. We're back into profit. We'll just close this out now. Normally, excuse me. Normally I'd wait a couple candles, but we're in profit. We'll take it and run. There we go, guys. So have a good evening. Stay arb strong. I will get back to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes